Hello students, let's solve this Math Olympiad problem which says x raised to power x raised to power 7 equals 196. So let's start by writing the expression x raised to power 7 equals 96 is 14 times 14, so we can write it as 14 square. Now raising it to 7th power on both sides, so x raised to power x raised to power 7 whole raised to power 7 equals 14 square whole raised to power 7. So we'll have x raised to power 7 whole raised to power x raised to power 7 equals 14 raised to power 14. This is by using the law of exponent. A raised to power m whole raised to power n equals a raised to power mn. And that's 2 times 7, 14. And this x raised to power 7 we have taken outside. So that's x raised to power 7 raised to power x raised to power 7. So from this step we get the value of x raised to power 7 equals 14. This is by the law of exponent, which says that if a raised to power a equals b raised to power b, then a equals b. So x raised to power 7 equals 14 by using this law. Now taking the 7th root on both sides, so we'll have x raised to power 7 whole raised to power 1 upon 7. As we need to find the value of x, we are taking the 7th root equals 14 raised to power 1 upon 7. From here we get the value of x equals 14 raised to power 1 upon 7, or we can write it as 7th root of 14. So this is our final answer. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.